ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। Aparna ji, can you do?
So I think we were on तेरे द्वारा वस्त्र धारण किया गया, that one, right?
Yes.
Okay. Tvaya vastram adhyarthaha. It's past tense, right? Kiya gaya.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yes. Then part pucha
What
gaya.
is the kriya pada? What is the kriya pada?
Adhi dri dharane. पाठः अपृच्छ्यथाः शत्रु अजीयथाः.
I asked kriya pada, not dhatu. Which kriya pada you have used?
Lang
lakara only. Lang lakara. What is the form that you said? I could not hear.
The bhavakarmani prayoga.
No, what is the form? I could not hear that. What did you say?
Okay. One second. Adrathaha, adriyathaha. I think. Adrathaha, is that what it is?
Adharan. Sorry. It's Kartari form.
Kartari is adharan, right? So adrathaha is what? Bhavakarmani.
Adriyanta. Plural.
Vastram is not one. Okay. Adriyanta. Adriyanta.
Yeah, Vastrani Adriyanta.
Adriyanta. Okay, one second.
I don't think it's plural, right? This is.
I thought Vastram was singular. That's why I wrote that. But anyway,
It is singular.
Yeah.
If it is singular, then Adriyata.
So Adriyata then?
Yes. So if it is singular, Adriyata.
Adriyata. Okay, Adriyata. It is not Adriyataha.
No.
Okay, Adriyata. Then Pataha.
Sorry. Tere dwara means Tvaya.
Tvaya.
Right? Sorry. Adriyathaha. Yes. You are right.
Adriyathaha. Then Pataha aprichyathaha. Shatru ajiyataha. Guruhu astuyataha. Samudram amanyataha. Pratah havanam akriyataha. Pushpa achiryathaha. Bhojanam akhadyathaha. Ishwaraha Chintanam akriyathaha.
Chintanam? What is that?
Akriyathaha.
Okay.
Then Guruhu Vandana Kriya. Vandana Kiga.
The dhatu is chint.
Chintanam.
What is the continuation?
Guruhu Avandyataha. Then
Purnaji,
Umaji is saying Chintanam is the Kriya. So then Chintana Is that how I should do? Not the Kriya Kiya Gaya one then? With Chintanam only I should do?
Both can be there.
Okay.
Both are correct.
Okay.
Okay, next.
So, Purnaji had a question. Yesterday I asked about this. So you said adhriyat, that it's not the second person, right? It's not Madhyama Purusha. You have to go with the first person. Because we are going per
Right. Yes. This is Bhava Karmani. So, yes. Thank you. Vastrani.
It is
Adhi.
adhriyata.
Yeah, Vastrani
then-
is plural. We are going through only, na? Vastrani is plural. That's why we said adhriyanta. Not going tvaya. It's correct, na?
Vastra
Yes.
is singular, right?
No, I
If
think
it
there are two
is in-
different questions here.
Oh,
I think
okay,
what
sorry.
Sirisha ji is saying is that instead of Adhriyataha should be aligned with, right, Sirisha ji?
Okay.
Yeah,
Sirisha ji. So the Kriya Pada should follow the Vastra, not Tvaya. This is the question, right?
Yeah.
Now it is following that only, na?
Vastram,
I
we
say-
thought was singular here, but I think it is Vastrani is what Punaji is saying, right, Punaji?
So if I take the Samudram Amatyatha, not Amatyathaha, right?
Yes, Amathyata.
Samudra Manyatha is what I have written, but
Yes,
has to be
all
changed.
are should be in Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Or means if it is Ekavachanam, then it is Prathama Ekavachanam. The Purusha should be in Prathama Purusha. Sorry.
Yeah, Prathama
Purusha.
Purusha.
Prathama Purusha, yes.
Okay, so this is not Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, then all of them
Yes,
should be
yes.
Prathama. Okay.
Prabhaji, can you do the same thing with Prathama Purusha?
The Tere Dwara, the number 6.
Yes.
Sorry, number 9. It looks
Yes.
like 6. Tere Dwara Vastra Dharan Kiya Gaya. Tvaya Vastram Adhiyata. Then this is the correct one, yeah. Path पूछा गया. Pathah. Is it Pathah or Patham?
Yes.
Pathah.
Pataha.
Pathah.
This is karma. Karma should be in Prathama Pataha.
Pathah. No, I was thinking Napunsak or pulling it, but yeah. Pathah. Apricchata. Would that be
Yes.
correct? Right.
Yes.
And Shatru Jita Gaya. Shatruhu or Jita.
Ajiyata.
Ajiyata.
In this
Ajiyata.
text, it is in this exercise, I thought it was avasiyata.
Avasiyata.
Ava plus sa, is it?
Yeah. So in the previous exercise, it says Shatruhu cha avasiyate. So that's what came.
That is not. This is meaning is what? Shatru Jita Gaya means win over the Shatru, right?
Yeah, so are you
Yes.
saying, Purnaji, that we don't have to use whatever is given in the exercise? Or we can use any other verb that we have?
Ava, sa is
I thought kill or nasht.
Means
Or,
Nashta
nash.
karma. Yeah.
Ava sa is nashta. This
Hmm.
is ji jaye dhatu.
Hmm. Okay,
The meaning is different.
I see.
Continue.
गुरु की स्तुति की गई. Guruhu. So, do we say gurum here though?
Guruhu.
No, but because it's karmani, it will be guruhu. Guruhu astuyata.
Yes.
Samudra matha gaya. Samudram amathyata. Amathyata, sorry. Right? Amathyata or amathyata. That will be dvivachana. Right. Amathyata. प्रातः काल हवन किया गया. प्रातः काले यज्ञः अक्रियत or
You can use
there is
in
a
simple way hu dhatu. Hu dhatu means doing havanam. So ahuyata.
ahuyata. प्रातः काले ahuyat. फूल चुने गए. पुष्पा फूल चुने गए. So पुष्पाणि अचिन्वन्त. No, chinyant.
What is the dhatu?
If it's sorry, that is chinta, right? That is to remember. Sorry, no. No, I have to see.
Here it says vrudha.
Grah dhatu. Grah dhatu.
Okay.
Graha apadane.
Grah. So avrinyantam.
Should be plural.
Yeah. Anta then, right? Extra na will come. Is that correct?
Won't it be avriyata?
Agruhyanta.
Avriyanta. Okay, because
Yes.
it's okay.
Plural.
Avriyanta. Okay. भोजन खाया गया. भोजनम. Bhojanam. Did we do the? Yeah, I've forgotten what.
Abhakshyata.
Abhakshyata.
Can we use khad word also, Purnaji, or no? Or
Which one?
bhakshata?
Yes,
Khad word?
yes. You can use.
Abhakshyata. ईश्वर का चिंतन किया गया. चिंत. ईश्वरस्य अचिन्त्यत.
Yes.
Then the last will be हरि का भजन किया गया. हरि का भजन. हरि ही अभजत.
1 minute. Where you have gone?
Have I gone to a different one?
Guru ki vandana ki gayi. Guru ki
Oh, sorry.
vandana ki.
I went to the next one. Sorry.
Yes.
गुरु की वंदना की गई. गुरुहु अवंदत. No, this is
Avandyata.
avandyata because it's bhave karma, right?
Hmm.
Avandyata.
Next, Sirshaji, can you tell the dhatus in this vakya, all dhatus and meanings? First
So-
one, adhiyata, we used.
धा धातु और धा धारण पोषण योः.
Yes.
Then अपृच्छत पृ धातु.
I think that's prach dhatu.
Yes, pracha. Prach comes later. After modification, it becomes pracha. But the original is pracha. Pracha nitsayam. Okay, next one.
This is G dhatu, right? Ajiyata, G dhatu. The meaning I have to look it up. Punaji.
Okay. Anybody has written meanings? Who will tell? Okay, I will tell. G jaye. Next, astuyata. Shtui stutau. Next one, amathyata. Month vilodane. Next, who dhatu. Dana danayoho adani prinane cha. Dana danayoho adani prinane cha. Next one, graha upadane. Agruhyant graha apadane. Next, abhakshata bhaksha adane. Next, chinta dhatu chiti smrityam. Vadi avandyata. Vadi abhivadana stutyoho. These are the meanings. So, every time when we go on, write there the original dhatu and meaning, then it will become familiar. Okay, next one. Sirishaji.
The 10th one, right? पिता के द्वारा चिंतन किया जाता है. So that is the future tense, right? Future tense.
Here, is it future?
No, it is present only,
Past.
right?
No, future what? I thought it was future only. Pita ke dwara.
It is present continuous. What we did previously, being, yeah, it is being done. So that is the.
Okay. So पित्राः चिन्त्यते. Then हरि का भजन किया जाता है. Is it हरिः or हरये भज्यते?
Harehe.
हरिः भज्यते. दुर्जन को शाप दिया जाता है. दुर्जनः शप्यते. Then बीज बोया जाता है. बीजम उप्यते. और धन लिया जाता है. धनम गृह्यते.
Next, Shivananji.
Punaji, here the Hari ka bhajan. If we had written it in the regular, it would be Harim bhajate, right? Or Harehe only.
Mm, in general, we use Kartari Prayoga.
Right.
So when we use Kartari Prayoga, we can use Chaturthi and Dvitiya, both.
Right.
So here, Pita ke dwara. By Pita, Hari's bhajan is being done.
Right.
No,
So,
Hari.
Harihi then, right? Is what the
And Hari's bhajan, not Hari bhajan.
oh
Hari's
okay.
bhajan.
Okay, got it.
So Shashti, Hare He.
Right. Okay, got it.
Next, Shivanand ji.
भाई और दामाद के द्वारा भोजन किया जाता है। भाई और दामाद के द्वारा तृतीय विभक्ति भ्रातॄण just a minute.
Bhratra,
भ्रात्रा और जमाता
not our, Jamatra. Cha.
ओके भ्रात्रा जामात्रा च भक्ष्येते भक्ष्येते
Yes.
What is, can it be bhojyate or bhakshate? भोजन किया जाता है
Bhakshate.
भक्ष्यते
Huh. Uchyate is there in Kartari? Karmani?
Pujyete. But that is akarmaka. So maybe yeah, when we say bhojanam, then we have to, I think, use bhakshyete.
Ajay. Bhajyate, bhajyete, bhajyante is there. Bhakshyate. Even for Kartari, it is not there. भोजन किया जाता है, right? It's not bajta to, sorry.
Yes, bhakshun.
Huh. In this chapter, it is not there, that dhatu. Bhaksh is not there.
Can we just say bhojanam khadyate then?
Bhaksh adane. Bhakshyate. Bhakshyate is correct. Bhaj is seva. Okay. Next one, Umama.
So this is Vaha Doodh Duhta hai. Saha Dugdam Duhyate.
Is it Kartari Prayoga or Karmani Prayoga?
It should be, or it should be, if it is Karmani, then it has to be Taya तया दुग्धम
But
दुह्यते.
there is no Tritiya. Vaha is not Tritiya, right?
It is not, yeah. That is why I was a bit
So,
confused.
which Prayoga it is?
So it has to be Kartari then.
Ha, yes.
So it cannot be duhyate, it has to be dohati.
Dogdhi.
Oh, for is it which dhatu would it be? Is it
Duha Prapurane.
Oh, okay. I got the wrong dhatu.
Duha Prapurane. Two dhatus are there. Duhir Ardhane is there.
Yeah.
Duha Prapurane is there.
Okay. So prapurane, it will be yeah. Dogdhi. Saha duktam dogdhi.
Yes. Next, Upendraji. Upendraji, are you able to follow? Are you there? We cannot hear you, Upendraji. Okay, next, Vijayaji.
तो भी दूध दुहता है त्वम अपि दुग्धम दोक्षि
Yes. Next, Anusha.
मैं दूध नहीं दुहता हूँ
Hmm.
अहम दुग्धम न दोह्मि
Yes. Next, Aparnaji.
वह दूध दुहे. This is lot lakara. Saha dugdham dugdham. Dugdham.
Dogdhu.
Dogdhu.
Hmm. Next. Prabhaji.
Tu.
Man
Next
lot
is
to
tu.
Lot, is it lot Purna? Sorry, just ask.
Yes.
Tu.
Mm,
Yeah.
Yeah, dugdhat, correct.
Dogdhu is lot only. Dugdhat also lot only.
Okay.
Both forms are there. Anusha, what you are saying?
అదే అన్నమ్మ దుగ్ధాతం
Both are correct. Yes, please continue, Prabhaji.
Tu doodh duh. Tvam dugdham. The same dugdhat can be used, or dugdhi.
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 Because it is Madhyama Purusha, na?
Right. But it's given dugdhat also.
Yes.
Tvam dugdham dugdhi.
Next, Shirisha ji.
मैं ही दूध दूहूं अपि अहमेव दुग्धं दोहानि.
Yes. Next, Shivanand ji.
उसने दूध दुहा सह दुग्धम अदुह्यत.
Adhog.
Autumn?
Adhog.
Adho.
Past tense. Lang lakara. Next, Uma.
मैंने दूध दुहा, अहम दुग्धम अदोहम.
Adoham, yes. So the last one, 20th one, we need to look at one sutra. Do you remember we saw only 9 lakaras? We skipped one lakara. Which lakara is that?
Lung
Yes, Lrung lakara. This
or
is
ing.
what we have to see. Ling nimitte Lrung kriyati pattau. This is the sutra. In the meaning of ling, whatever nimitta is there for ling lakara, we'll use for Lrung lakara also. So what is the nimitta for ling lakara? There are 5 sutras are there for ling nimitta. Ling nimitta sutras are 5 sutras are there. We are going to follow one sutra for now. That is Hetu Hetumator Ling. This is the sutra. Ling Kriyati Pattau. So in the first meaning is, in the meaning of ling, we are going to use Lrung lakara. Kriyati Pattau. Kriyati Pattau means the karya did not happen or it should not happen. That's how. So the example, if we listen example, then it will be very clear. If this would happen, then that would happen, like that. But this did not happen and that also did not happen. I mean, both will not happen. For example, like Swamiji used to tell that if I would get introduced to you before I get married, then I would do the Vedanta course. So both did not happen. It will not happen also. This kind of usage means both will not happen. So if here it is given the example, if he would milk, then you also would milk the milk, like that. Is this, have you understood?
Can you please repeat it one more time for me?
Okay. There are 2 Kriya Padas in this Vakya. 2 Kriya Padas will be in Lrung Lakara only. If I would study, I would become a collector. But I did not study, I did not become collector. I will not study, I will not become collector. So both will not happen. So both kriyas will never happen. In that sense, Lrung Lakara will be used.
So Lrung lakara is always when the kriya that you're expecting, the cause and the effect are never happening, right?
Yes.
It is not that one is happening, one is not happening. Both are not happening.
Both are not happening.
Got it.
It can be in future, it can be in
Past,
past tense, it can be
Past
in
also.
present tense.
present.
But I don't know for the present tense sutra. If I get to know, I will let you know. Bhuteja is for past tense. And this ling nimitte lrung kriyati pattau. In this, they mentioned bhavishyat kala also. But usage is there in all 3 sentences, all 3 kalas. We will see this example. I think if we look at the example, then it will be clear. Vaha doodh duhega. If Duhega is past future tense, right?
Yes.
If
Future
he would milk the if he would milk the milk, then you also would milk the milk. Is this sentence correct, or did I do any mistake, like where it is milked?
You will also be milk if you were to milk milk, or you were to do the action of milking, then, or if that person were to do the action of milking, then you will also be doing the action of milking, right? Is that the understanding?
Okay, Sirisha ji, I'll tell that in Telugu. Can you translate into English? నీ అతడు పాలు పిండి ఉండి ఉంటే నీవు కూడా పాలు పిండేవాడివి.
He would milk the cow. If he would milk, then you would also be milking.
పిండేవాడివి. So next sentence is also in future only.
If you would also milk.
Can you repeat the sentence?
If he would have milked, then you would have milked.
If he were to milk, then you would also milk. It's not past, right? Duhega is future.
Future.
Would have is the passive voice future, right? Future tense. Would have
milked.
If he would have milked, then you would have milked.
That still comes out as past tense. I thought Duhega comes out as future.
If you would be milking, then he would be milking.
Yeah, if you were to milk, or if you would be doing this action of milking, yes.
Can you repeat again?
So if you were milking, then he would be milking.
No,
Two.
were to,
Yes.
I think. Were to would be.
If you were to milk, then he would milk.
You would be milking too. Yes.
Okay. Let's start the next chapter.
So Purnaji, what is the sentence then? We should use the lot lakara and kartari prayoga, right? No, drin lakara.
Okay, we did not do in Sanskrit. Vahadhu duhega saha dugdham lring lakara. Dugdham adhokshyata. Tvam api dugdham adhokshyathaha. Saha dugdham adhokshyata. Tvam api dugdham adhokshyathaha.
Adhokshayaha, right? Adhokshayaha.
No, adhokshyathaha is there. In Duh dhatu, lring lakara madhyam purusha ekavachanam adhokshyathaha.
So this is Atmane Padam, right?
Oh, Atmane Padam.
Is it Atmane Padam or Parasmay Padam? Which one?
We can use Parasmapadi because milking the milk can be for others also.
Okay.
Then
But
it is adokshah, adokshayah.
adhokshyah. Yes. Adhokshyat, adhokshyah. Next chapter we will do in next class. So we'll do in next class Akaranta Pullinga Shabdas are there. Bhityaha, Janaha, Vedaha. So we will look at the Prakriya for Akaranta Pullinga Shabdas. So Swamiji was asking one of the day, Ramat. So we have to see. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om